This is going to be an unboxing and a review of this 4K dual dash cam here. So it has the one on the front, and then this is sort of like the reverse dash cam or the reverse camera. Some highlights it has on the side is it records in full HD, 4K or 1080p, has GPS tracking, Wi-Fi control, and when you put it in park and you're away from the car, it'll have parking monitoring. Basically, if the car shakes or it senses motion or anything, it'll turn on. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this right now. So opening up, the first thing you see are the two cameras themselves. So they come in this plastic wrapping and protection here. This is the wireless reverse camera. You can see it has like the little adhesive thing, and then the camera to shoot out the back. And then this is the main camera that goes up front. Also in the protection here, it has the big adhesive strip, and then the camera, and then this is the screen on the back. So it's a little touch screen, you can control everything. And there are some record and reset and mic things on the side here. And you can see that I clicked it and already turned on. But let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. Under it, it comes with the startup guide and the user's manual. And then this looks like sort of like screen protectors and stuff. That'll be pretty helpful when setting these up to protect it. And then under this box here, here are a bunch of cables. This is a USB-C charging cord. This looks like something to press the reset button in. Some extra adhesive strips in case you need to remount them. And then there's also the option of a suction cup for the front dash cam there. And this is a large charging cable. These are always really nice to have because I normally like to hide all the wires and stuff. So having this long of a wire, you can put it in the headboard or under your floor just to make it look factory, which is pretty nice. This is a cigarette lighter to a USB-C, and this also looks like it has the GPS attached to it as well. And then this is actually very, very nice to have. This is what we kind of talked about earlier when hiding the wires. You can sort of like dig it into the side of like your headboard or something and pull it out and then like slip the wire in so it looks a lot more factory. But yeah, that's all the stuff in a box. Let's go ahead and set this thing up and see how it rolls. So I currently have the dash cam set up. It's in the middle of my windshield right now just so I can show you guys how it works here. I have the suction cup set up to the top of it and it's already recording. And then the cord is actually pretty cool. It has the GPS attached to it, and then it just goes into a cigarette lighter down here. And what's nice is it has a little USB port, so you don't give up any plugs or anything by using this. But yeah, you can hide this wire pretty well. It's very, very long. And then yeah, let's go ahead and look at the footage from this dash cam here. Driving with it right now, I can already see how nice it is with the GPS. It shows you how fast you're going in the bottom right hand corner, the time and date, and just everything you really need from a dash cam. So this view that you've been looking at is the dash cam out of the front, but when it switches to the back right here, just to let you know, this window is very, very dirty and it's heavily tinted, but it still shoots through the window very, very well and it gives off a clear image. But overall, I would highly recommend this dash camera, and it was definitely a great add-on to my car.